Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to upload files to folder in OneDrive on computer. So how to upload files to folder in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To upload to a folder, each part must enter the folder. Move the cursor to the left of the screen. Tap the My Files menu. Now here tap the folder that will be the place to upload files. Next, just move the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap the Create or Upload menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear, and here there are several menu options. Tap the Upload File menu. Here it will appear like this. And your computer's Windows folder will appear. Select the file that will be uploaded. Now wait for the upload process to complete. Can be seen in the folder I selected, the file has been added or finished uploading. So that's it, tutorial how to upload files to folder in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.